For Windows 10, let me show how to restart the print performance. Right-click this PC and click Manage. Select the Services and Applications. Then click Services. Find the print spooler from the list. And click Restart the service. If restart doesn't work, we can right-click the print spooler and click Properties. Then check the startup type is automatic. And enter the recovery page. Make sure those 3 failures chose as restart the service. And adjust as 0 days and 0 minutes. And try to restart again.